Good morning everybody and happy Advent time. Merry Christmas time, you know what I mean. So, I will open my Advent calendar now. We've got the number 3 from the custom made. I will open it. I won't eat the candy right away because it's early in the morning and I just brushed my teeth, so it won't be that tasty, I guess. So I will save that for later. Okie dokie, so everything's out. Yes, it's another Mamba like yesterday. And yesterday I had the paper. I ate the paper actually because I couldn't get it off. It's a classical thing, but I don't think it will be bad for me. So I've got a handful of new tiles. I will do them in a minute or two. So that's the first one. And I'll save the Mamba for later, my taffy thing. So this one's here. And then let's have a look what's in the Gibson's calendar. So what I saw is the name seems to be Merry Mischief. And I think that's the theme because we've got a lot of animals, Christmas animals, and yeah. I think because it said there are not 24 jigsaws in there, but 21, and then you'll get like glue and ribbon, so you can hang them on the Christmas tree if you want, but I don't think I will do that. I will put them in little bags when I'm done with them and do them again next year or something. I will figure something out. So this one's here. So that's the new bag. So let's see what animal is here today. Okay, then let's start doing the jigsaws. So, as you can see, this is a cat on the Mischief jigsaw from Gibson. It doesn't look that mischievous, but it might just broken the gingerbread man. So, yes, that's this. It's a shape of a tree. And here we've got some more ice skating. And I am pretty confident I can connect that. Let me have a look. I'm sorry, it's a bit messy here. Okay, I'm pretty confident we can connect it here. Yes, we can. Look at that. So that's nice. I can't figure out where this goes still, but the day will come. So we've got a lot of ice skating here. So look at those two fellas. She doesn't look that amused and he doesn't as well. But that's very nice. I just wanted to say I have no idea how that motif looks when it's done. I never saw it before. And that's very cool because it's a surprise for me. I thought maybe it is the Rockefeller Plaza in New York because there are a lot of jigsaws with a big Christmas tree and then the ice skating in front of it, but maybe not. So I'm pretty excited what I will have then. I like the steel, I like the quality. I think it's a Ravensburger or Nathan, whatever. So yeah, that was today's back of my advent calendar, and I hope we see us tomorrow. Bye bye.